Hi children, welcome to our maths class. In the previous class we learned about exercise 4.6 that all problems completed. Today I am teaching about exercise 4.7. In the exercise 4.7 all problems are word problems. See now first problem, multiply the largest 3-digit number by the largest 1-digit number. ఏమంటున్నాడు మల్టిప్లై ద లార్జెస్ట్ 3-digit నెంబర్ 3-digit నెంబర్ ను లార్జెస్ట్ 1-digit నెంబర్ తోటి మల్టిప్లై చేయమంటున్నాడు. ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ టీలో లార్జెస్ట్ 1-digit నెంబర్ లార్జెస్ట్ 2-digit నెంబర్ ఐ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ సీనా లార్జెస్ట్ 1-digit number 9, smallest 1-digit number is the 1. Okay, largest 2-digit number is the 99. Okay, smallest 2-digit number is 10. Largest 3-digit number is the 999. Smallest 3-digit number is the 100. Understood, Anna? Largest 1-digit number is the 9. Smallest 1-digit number is the 1. Largest 2-digit number is the 99. Smallest 2-digit number is the 10. Largest 3-digit number is the 999. Smallest 3-digit number is the 100. Okay, but what asking here? Multiply the largest 3-digit number. Largest 3-digit number is the 999. Next, largest 1-digit number. Largest 1-digit number is the 9. These two numbers multiply now. Okay? Let's look up. Largest solution, right? Now largest 3-digit number is 999. Okay. Next, largest 1-digit number. Largest 1-digit number is 9. This is the 3-digit. Largest 3-digit number is the 999. Largest 1-digit number is the 9. These two numbers multiply. So now 999 into 9. Now multiply. Okay? 9 into 9. 9 nines are 81. 9 into 9 is the 81. So 1 here, 8 here carry. Again 9 nines are 81. 81 plus 8. 81 plus 8. 89 plus 8. Again, right? Again, 9 nines are 89. But carry how much here? 8 plus 8. That means 89. So, only 9 here. Here 8. Again, 9 nines are 81. 9 nines are 81. Here 8. That means 81 plus 8 is the 89. The total answer is 8,991. Understood, Nana? The largest 3-digit number is the 999. Largest 1-digit number is the 9 only. But what asking here? Multiply. Multiply these two numbers. 999 into 9. 9 nines are 81. So 1 here, 8 carry. 9 nines are 81. 81 plus 8 is the 89. So 9 here, 8 carry here. And 9 nines are 81. 81 plus 8, 89. The total answer is that 21. Okay, children? Okay, next second one problem. Read the second one problem. There are 7 days in a week. How many days are there in 52 weeks? Totally, there are in a week 7 days. There are 7 days in a week. How many days are there in 52 weeks? ఇక్కడ డేకి తెలుసు మనకి సండే, మండే, ట్యూస్డే, వెన్స్డే, థర్స్డే, ఫ్రైడే, సాటర్డే. There are 7 days in a week. How many days are 52 weeks? So multiply these two numbers, we'll get the answer. Okay na? So first of all write solution. Number of days in a week. How many days in a week, Anna? 7 days. Number of days in 52 weeks. 52. Number of days in a week. 1 week is 7 days. 52 weeks ki any days. Okay. And that means 52 into 7. So multiply here 52 into 7. 7 into 2. 7 2s are 14. So here only 4, write this one, carry to here. 7 5s are 7 into 5. 7 5s are 35. But carry there how much? 1. 35 plus 1, 36. The total how many days? 364. How many days there? 364 days in a 52 weeks. 364 days in 52 weeks. In 52 364 days in 52 weeks. Okay, understood Nana? This is the first one, second one problem. Third one problem is that is your homework. I will explain fourth. See Nana, third one problem that is your homework. Next fourth one problem, see there are 85 sweets in a tin. How many sweets are there in 35 tins? Okay. Now one tin, how many sweets? 85 sweets. Now find out the 35 tins. Okay. First write solution. Number of sweets. Number of sweets in a tin, 85. Number of sweets in 35 things equal to 35 into 85. Okay, now multiply these two numbers. That means 35 into 85. Okay, 5 into 5. 5 into 5 5s are 25. So here 5 here carry 2. 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 2 17. Next to this multiply. 8 5s are 40. So here 0 here 4. 8 3s are 24. 24 plus 4 28. Okay, here 5. 7 plus 0 is the 7, 8 plus 5 is the 9, 2. The total sweets in 35 is 2975 sweets are in 35 tins. Okay? See Nana, fifth problem. There are 64 pages in a notebook. How many pages are there? 38 such notebooks. The one notebook 64 pages. Given 38 notebooks. How many pages in 38 notebooks? ఒక నోట్బుక్లో 64 పేజెస్ ఉన్నాయంట. 38 నోట్బుక్స్లలో ఎన్ని పేజెస్ నేను అడుగుతాను. సో ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ రైట్ సొల్యూషన్. నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ పేజెస్ in a notebook. In a notebook. How many pages in a notebook? 64. Number of pages in 38 notebooks. That means 38 into 64. So now multiply the two numbers. 38 into 64. 4 into 8. 4 8s are 32. 4 8s are 32. So here 2 here 3 carry. 4 into 3. 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 3 15. So here 15. Next multiply 6 into 8. 6 8s are 48. So here 8, here 6. Sorry, here 6. 6 into 3. 6 3s are 18. 18 plus 6. 6 8s are 60 plus 8 is the 14. 14 plus 1. 28. So 28. Add these two numbers. These two. 5 plus 8 is 13, 4 here 3, 1 carry, 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 8 is 10, so 1 carry, 1 plus 2 is 3. The total answer is the 3032. How many pages? 3032 pages in 38 notebooks. Okay now? Next two. Next to sixth problem, that is your homework. Sixth problem. I will explain seventh and eighth problem. Seventh problem, see Nana. How many pencils are there in 98 packets? 50 pencils each. In each packet 50 pencils. Now find out the 98 packets. How many pencils now? Okay. First of all, write solution. Number of pencils. Number of pencils each packet. How many pencils? 50. Number of pencils in the 98. In 98 packets. That means 98 into 50. These two numbers multiply now. So here multiply 98 into 50. 0 8s are 0, 0 9s are 0. Okay? 5 8s are 40. So here 0, 4 carry. 5 9s are 45. 45 plus 4, 49. The total answer is 0, 0, 9, 4. 4,900 pencils in 98 packets. How many pencils in 98 packets? 4,900 pencils are in 98 packets. Okay? Understood? Next, 8th one problem. Mr. Sneha has 85 notes of 20 rupees. How much money does he have? So Sneha has 85 notes of 20 rupees. Each one 20 rupees. One notebook cost for 20 rupees. Totally 85 notes. How much the total 85 notes cost? So write solution. Cost of each notebook. Each notebook. How many rupees, Nana? 20 rupees. Cost of 85 notebooks equal to 85 into 20. That means here two numbers multiplied. 85 into 20. 0 into 5. 0 5s are 0. 0 into 8. 0 8s are 0. After this 2. Multiply with 2. 2 into 5. 2 5s are 10. 2 1 is 2. 2 to the 4. 2 3 is 6. 2 4 is 8. 2 5s are 10. So here 0 1 carry. 2 into 8. 2 1 is 2. 2 to the 4. 2 3 is 6. 2 4 is 8. 2 5 is 10. 2 6 is 12. 2 7 is 14. 2 8 is 16. 16 but here carry. 16 plus 1 17. The total answer is that now add these two numbers 0 0 0 plus 0 here 7 asterisk. The total answer is the 1700. The cost of one notebook equal to 20 rupees. The cost of 85 notebooks is equal to 1700 rupees. Okay children, next eighth one problem. I explained first problem, second problem, third one is the your homework, fourth fifth I explained, sixth one your homework, seventh eighth I explained, ninth one also your homework. Okay, write in your notes and practice well. Okay children.